We are at the heart of the East Africa Device Assembly Kenya, where Kenya has just launched its first devices, its first mobile phone devices, and affordable devices at that. Here we witnessed President William Ruto just being taken around the facility and being shown the test case scenarios of how these mobile devices will be in Kenya's hands, where he was shown exactly the kind of stresses each user uses the phone in its life cycle, and we discover that indeed they do go through the normal kind of international standard mobile phone device chronology. We also saw the Ministry of Health represented here by the CSO Health, Susan Nakumucha, just talking about how the devices, being the first customer of these 100,000 devices, going to help with the agenda of community health initiatives, where the community health representatives from the Ministry of Health will be going door to door to assist various Kenyans with their health issues, and the data will be input into these devices. These devices are important in that they are helping with a digital transformation. The President did mention that he is looking at a situation where all government devices are able to be accessed digitally through the phone, and he insisted that although the phone now is starting from 7,999 shillings, he's looking forward to a point where the phone will now even retail lower than 5,000 to up to 2,000 shillings. And maybe I should give you a feel of what we have seen here. Behind me we have a showcase of the devices. This is the exhibition hall, and we have here the software is very light, it's not bloated at all. You can access Yes, it does take a selfie very well. So the device